Brr. It is so cold. Today I am finally venturing out of my house. I'm starting to sound much better and feel better when it comes to the flu that I had. It was kind of lingering. I mentioned that in my last video, but today I'm going to go meet some girlfriends and we're just kind of getting out and about. The plan is, there's really no plan. We are thinking about going to some thrift stores possibly, maybe some antique stores, getting lunch, just kind of getting out of our houses because we can get a little stir crazy. I've only left the house once in the last like almost 2 weeks, and partially because I was sick. The other part is because we had a huge snowstorm, but thankfully we can drive on the roads safely and it's no big deal to get out now. But anyways, I figured it'd be fun to take you guys with me. But before we get into the rest of today's video, I do want to kindly thank today's sponsor, which is Laundry Sauce. If you guys have been here for really any amount of time, then you probably know that laundry day is one of my least favorite days. But I recently discovered Laundry Sauce, and let me tell you, it has changed the name of the game for me. Laundry Sauce has products that smell so luxurious. My clothes feel so incredibly clean, and it really just ups the game for my laundry day. Here I have their Laundry Sauce cleaning pods. These are wonderful. This is measured out detergent. The pods themselves have recyclable materials. All I do is pop one of these into my washing machine and you are good to go. When my clothes come out, they smell so wonderful. I'm telling you, every time I use these and somebody is around us, they're always asking me, what does that smell? It smells so good. My husband has noticed, which typically that is not something he cares about. My kids have noticed. I've had my mother notice. So I'm telling you, these are so good. Not only do they have the laundry pods, they also have dryer sheets, they have scent boosters, they have fabric softeners. You name it, they've got it, and I truly cannot recommend it enough. They have tons of scents to choose from. Like I had mentioned, this is the Siberian pine scent. It's a really clean yet woodsy scent, and I love it so much. So highly recommend getting your hands on some Laundry Sauce. I will leave a QR code up here on the screen along with a link down below in my description box. You truly don't want to miss out. These products are so nice. It ups my laundry game so incredibly much, and it actually gets me excited to do laundry, which is really rare for me. So anyways, thank you again to Laundry Sauce for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Let's get back into the rest of the video. If today teaches you anything, it is to get out and about and go to the thrift store. Sometimes it's a success and you find so many things, and then other times not as much, but nonetheless, grab some girlfriends or your mom or just anyone that you can think of that has a heart for thrifting and antiquing, and get them out and about with you. It was so much fun. Again, even if we didn't find too many things, we still had a great time. But there were a few things that stood out to me, like that little coffee table that was so cute. The dresser was really pretty. We ended up only going to 2 different thrift stores, but I was still able to get my hands on some really cute things, so stay tuned for the haul portion to see what I picked up. But we just had a great time, and I always love going and seeing what's out because you just truly never know what you're going to find. Okay, so I just got back home from our little adventure, and we ended up going to the Goodwill and then a local thrift store, and then we had lunch as well. So we were out for about 3 hours, nothing too crazy, but it was just so nice to go with some girlfriends and hang out and just have a good old time. So I ended up picking up a few clothing items along with just a couple of home decor pieces as well. I didn't go too crazy, and really there wasn't a ton out today, but what I did pick up I'm really excited about. So in no particular order, I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. So today at the Goodwill, I found these really cute little dishes. There's 3 plates here. 2 of them are more of a salad plate and one of them is more of like a little dessert plate, but they're really cute. I love the design on the edges. It's brown and has some green in there, and it has like a little florally pattern, and they're really sweet. They had matching bowls as well, but I know for me personally, I'll use the plates more than I will the bowls, and these were $2.86, so not bad at all. It kind of gets me excited for spring decorating. I realize we're still in the winter months. It's the end of January. We currently have tons of snow outside where I am. But I don't know, just finding things like this at the thrift store gets me inspired, gets my wheels turning for the next season ahead. So anyway, I thought these were adorable and I'm really excited to style these either in my kitchen or here on my dining room table. So I love those. And then the other thing that I picked up at the Goodwill is this really nice like cardigan slash like lighter kind of coat. You can definitely layer this really easily, but it's a really pretty kind of like mauve-y color in a way. A little bit lighter, but it has pockets. I'll try to try these on for you guys, but anyway, it's really long and just really classy, something I could wear to church, something I could wear casually out, again, layered and things like that. But this was only $4.83. I was shocked when I saw the price because it is so nice. It's really good quality. And anyway, I love this. I don't think it has what it's made of on here. No. But anyway, nonetheless, it's really nice and I thought that was a great find. So those were my two Goodwill purchases. And then as far as the other thrift store goes, the first thing I spotted were these candlesticks. If you guys know me, you guys know I love having candlesticks around my house, and it's something that's just a little bit unique but also timeless at the same time. And I thought that these candlesticks were just that. So they came in a set of 3. They're like a black, kind of like a wrought iron look, and they were only $2 a piece. So they come in 3 different sizes. There's like a large, medium, and small. Actually, the 2 smaller ones are the same size, but this is what they look like. It has the 3 like feet on there, and then it's just rounded on the top with a little like pick where your candle would go. But anyway, I thought these would be beautiful, either styled on my dining room table or on my buffet, maybe even my fireplace mantle. We'll see if my mantle is wide enough. But anyway, nonetheless, for what, $6 for the whole set. I thought that was a really good find. And again, something that's a little different, but also timeless at the same time. So I was really happy with that purchase. And then the only other things that I picked up were some clothing items, because I just don't have very many clothing items. I feel like I wear the same stuff over and over and over, which is fine, but it tends to wear out a little quicker. So if I can get my hands on some nice staple pieces for my closet, why not? These were really good finds at really good prices. So this is, it's actually kind of similar to this cardigan that I got from the Goodwill, but it is a little sweater. It kind of has like the mock neck, and it's just really pretty. Just a really classic, pretty color, something again that I could wear really into the spring and the fall, winter, all of it. And then probably one of my favorite clothing items I found is this cute little ivory sweater. It's kind of like a knit material. It's very soft. It has the little buttons on the front, and I think it will be really cute layered with that little cardigan like jacket thing I got from the Goodwill. But both of these shirts were $6 a piece. Yes, they were $6 a piece. And again, they look brand new. They're super nice and comfortable. So let me go ahead and show you what they look like on. Okay, I'm no model, but I think this is really cute. It's kind of cropped as well, so it gives a little bit more of a flattering look, but I think it'll be so cute paired with this cardigan. If I can pull some of this out here. And we're gonna be all about the layering, because why not? Layering gives some definition, and it also adds just a fun element to your closet. So this is what we are looking like. You can do the little front tuck if you want. I think this one's a little too cropped, but either way, very cute. Got yourself a fun, like classy, but also casual outfit for, what was this? $10 for the 2 tops, which is insane. So anyway, this is the first one. I really like it. I think it'd be cute with some boots. And again, I have jeans on. So anyway, this is the first look, and let me show you what the other shirt looks like too. Okay, last but not least, here's this sweater. It's really cute. I'll probably cuff the sleeves because it is just a hair short on my arms, but nonetheless, I do think it's really cute, and I really like the color. Again, something that you can dress up or down, and anyway, and it looks really good going into the spring months as well. So anyways, this is the last one, but The haul wasn't anything huge, but I am really happy with what I picked up. So if you guys had fun coming thrifting with me today, be sure to like this video. That way I know you guys enjoy these types of videos. I'm planning to do many more thrifting and antiquing videos this year on my channel. You guys know I'm always here for it. But today was kind of a short and sweet little girls trip, but I still wanted to take you guys along with me. So anyways, thank you guys for being here, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.